to it. Today we was in sales, as you can see. Marked up my open. Today I don't usually mark with my open range high and low, but today I decided to do that. So basically I did about 30, the high and the low of the first 30 minutes of the market. As you can see, this was, hold on, wait. My open range high was marked out first. Well, was hit first. Well, hmm, let's see, hold on. Yeah. But anyway, both of them got attacked today. So I know once I seen the open range high sweep and then came back down, I was like, okay, we selling for sure. Like I knew we were selling. Uh, I didn't really pay much mind to it, but because I already knew what we was dealing with. I already knew what I was looking for in the market today. So right here, if you look right here, this purple line, that was my displacement. Let's go to the 1 minute. This right here was my. Hold on, wait, let me show you. See the price drop down. I'm like, oh wow. Let me. I definitely want to enter right here. That's what I was thinking. I was like right here. Stop loss was neat. Went to the 15 and let me just move this over and let me show you. Well, no, let me use this. When I seen this, I was like, I don't want to trade on the 50, on that equilibrium. I didn't want to do that. You see, my entry was like right by the 50. So what I did, I thought to myself, how could I get a better trade? Because as traders, you need to know when you need to know what you're doing before you even enter the market. It's something I struggle with too. So I'm not gonna bash anybody, as you can see right there. I don't know why this isn't letting me. Yeah. 15-minute fair value gap presented itself right here. So I'm like, okay, sorry, right there. 5 minute accidentally my bad. I seen this. I'm like, okay, bet. Let me enter on 50% of the fair value gap. Literally. I was like, let me enter on that 50. Let me enter on that 50. Although I know that price isn't obligated to come now. I'm like, listen, price don't have to come here. It doesn't have to respect my wishes. But I was already aware the state that the market was in. I already know price was delivering sell side liquidity, but also through creating these imbalances, one, two, three. At some point, it had to rebalance, and I knew it was going to come to that fair value gap to rebalance. I went to the 1 minute, just like this, and as you can see, you see that 50% of that fair value gap right there. Same entry. So this was my first entry. I'm gonna show y'all. This is my first entry, and this is my second entry. And when I use my fib for my second entry, just like this, my entry was now in a premium. So I'm like, okay, let's see. Let's go to the 1 minute. Let me remove this so you can see. 2% ready. It's 1.86%. But no worries. I went for a 2%. And that was me right there. Look. Bang. Did not play no games. That was me right there. I could have even entered again. But we wasn't gonna get greedy. But that's what I was looking for. Concept. I forget how much I made today. I was just happy I was right. Like I don't even care about the money anymore. I just want to be right. Like as long as I'm right, I'm cool. So I entered 11:46. I was out 11:50. Let's go on an exact 2% because I go for exactly 2%. So to see, yeah, in here, out there. Literally, I don't even think I watched the trade. 146 to 150, 4 or 5 minute trade. I didn't even watch the trade. I just placed it and went about my day. So that was what I did today. 15-minute displacement. Let's go back down right quick. 15-minute displacement. Right there. 1 minute entry formed. So this low, this 1 minute low right there is the 15 is the low of the 15 minute also. You see? The low right there. That's what was broken. And that's when I started looking for my sales. Once I seen that broken. And if you look on the 1 minute, that's a 1 minute swing low. Seeing that broken, instantly started looking for my 1 minute entries. Entered off the 15-minute fair value gap because it gave me more of a premium entry. Got in right there. Got out. I don't even know how much it ran for after. My goodness. I did this my first time seeing how much it actually like went for. And it distributed a 9%. About a 9%. So because I didn't see the point of letting my trade run today because I was trying to recover from yesterday's losses, and I'll drop a video talking about June 8th, Monday June 8th losses. But I just wanted to I'm focusing this week on preserving cap. I mean, forever for real, just preserving capital. That's all I want to do. Preserve my capital, make my account last as long as it could in the market. I'm not focused on growing it by 100%. Like, no, I just want to literally live to fight another day in the markets. And once I made that my goal, I was like, yeah, I started seeing more progress. So not every time I would enter off the 50% of the fair value gap, but just because what price was doing, it was best I do that. You see what I'm saying? Like, let me go back right here. I already know it wanted to sell. Where I wanted to sell from just wasn't the best. And it did hold up, but I got a better entry. And like, even if I had missed this entry because I was trying to go into the 50%, even if I had missed that entry, I would have been cool because I knew I was following my rules. I was entering premium. So that was cool for me. I just got a better entry instead of entering a little lower. So yeah.